Hey there, future homeowners. It's Mr. M, your licensed real estate wizard, and today, we're about to embark on the most thrilling journey into the heart of Oakland Park, Florida, right at the doorstep of the majestic Alexander home. Get ready because Pulte Home Builders have an exclusive lineup, not one, not two, but a whopping 6 unique single-family house models. And guess what? They're packed with top-secret incentives. If you're on the lookout for your dream home, I'm your real estate partner, available 24/7. The classified info, it's right there in the description below. Now, fasten your seatbelts because this isn't your ordinary tour. It's a full-blown adventure into the unknown. As we sneak into the licensed charm of Oakland Park, just 6 miles from the beach, 12 miles from Fort Lauderdale Airport, and a mere 6 miles from the buzzing Fort Lauderdale downtown, and the mysterious hotspot, Los Olas Street, you're not just entering a location. You're unlocking the gateway to an enigmatic world of dining and entertainment options. Hold on to your hats, this isn't your average community. It's the ultimate rendezvous for a lifestyle beyond your wildest dreams. Now, let's dive into the license layers of the Alexander home. This 2-story wonder, veiled in mystery, boasts 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a whopping 1961 square feet.
I'm Mikhailo Burtovich, your licensed realtor here in Miami area. I help people to move in or out of Miami, Florida. So if you have some question regarding moving to Miami, or you have some general question about buying or selling property in Miami, please feel free to reach me.
It's not just a home, it's a licensed masterpiece. Imagine yourself in a spacious yard, a perfect setup for a future pool, and a 2-car garage, your licensed parking haven. The dramatic 2-story foyer entry and the exceptional details are your golden ticket to luxury living. And here's the real kicker, my adventure-seeking comrades whisper the words special financing incentives, and I'll unveil the vault of classified information. For your eyes only, of course. Oh, and did I mention the essentials? This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage, spanning 1961 square feet. As if that's not intriguing enough, the HOA is $308, covering everything from landscape maintenance to high-speed internet. Plus, a gated entry, a resort-style pool, a clubhouse with a fitness center, a passive park, and sport courts. Can you handle the adventure? Got questions? Dive into the shadows and contact me. All my information is discreetly encrypted in the description below. If you're ready for this real estate roller coaster, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and gear up for more thrilling house tours in South Florida. The mission: a luxurious life, one home at a time. Let's roll.